Collagen's not just for healthy skin, it's a critical component of nerve regeneration. When you hear the word collagen, what pops into your mind? Radiant, youthful skin, smooth, flexible joints. Yep, collagen does all that. But here's the part almost nobody's talking about. You're in for a shocker. Collagen isn't just for beauty or joints. It's a game changer for nerve repair. In this video, we'll uncover how collagen rebuilds your nerves, the best sources of collagen, and pro tips to supercharge your healing. Stick around to discover why collagen could be the missing piece in your journey to great nerve health. Coming up. Welcome back, Health Warriors. Dr. M here. Did you know that collagen is one of the foundational building blocks your body uses to repair and regenerate nerves? It's woven into the protective sheaths around your nerves, ensuring that signals fire smoothly. Without it, nerve healing stalls like a car without gas. Here's a visual. Think of collagen like the rebar inside a concrete foundation. Each nerve is wrapped in layers of collagen-rich tissue that act like a flexible, strong shield that protects, nourishes, and guides regenerating nerve fibers. It ensures electrical signals zip through smoothly like a high-speed internet cable. But when collagen weakens, it's trouble. If this framework frays, nerve signals misfire, healing slows, and neuropathy symptoms like tingling or pain flare up. It's like faulty wiring sparking chaos. This is why collagen is critical for peripheral neuropathy recovery. It's more than a beauty trend. It's a healing powerhouse. By supporting collagen production, you're giving your body the best tools to rebuild nerves, joints, and skin. So where does collagen come from? Let's dive into the best collagen sources for nerve health because they're not all equal, and choosing wisely can turbocharge your recovery. But first, let's break down the 3 key types of collagen critical for nerves. Type 1 and 3 collagen. These are the foundation builders. They're the structural heroes providing strength like rebar and concrete. They reinforce nerve sheaths and give blood vessels elasticity, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach your nerves. Without them, your nerves won't have the support to heal properly. Type 2 collagen, the inflammation tamer. This collagen calms the storm. It reduces inflammatory molecules like tumor necrosis factor alpha and interleukin 6, which fuel nerve pain and damage. So by taming inflammation, collagen creates a healing-friendly environment for your nerves. Types 4, 6, and 19, the precision players. These are the specialized superstars. Types 4 and 6 form the base under your myelin sheath, which is the coating that speeds up nerve signals. They clear damage and guide nerve regrowth. Type 19 stabilizes brain communication bridges, keeping signals clear. Think of it as boosting your brain's Wi-Fi signal. Now, you don't eat types 4, 6, or 19 directly. Instead, your body takes types 1 and type 3 collagen from food or supplements. It breaks them down into amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline and rebuilds them into the specialized collagens your nerves need, like type 4, type 6, and type 19. So it's like recycling raw materials into custom nerve repair parts. However, this process also needs helpers like vitamin C, zinc, copper, and B vitamins to form healthy collagen fibers for maximum regeneration. The question is, where do you get high-quality collagen? Because both the type and the source matters when it comes to nerve repair. Bone broth is a classic choice, and it's been used for centuries to nourish connective tissues. It's made by simmering beef or chicken bones, cartilage, and hides, which extracts amino acids and peptides for tissue repair. But quality is critical. Choose organic, pasture-raised animals. Make sure the beef is grass-fed and grass-finished, and the chicken is organic, hormone-free, and antibiotic-free. Remember, healthy animals means clean collagen for your nerves. Health Warriors, get ready for a side note. Consumer labs found that not all bone broths deliver. They tested popular brands and the results were shocking. Only 6 out of 10 brands passed for protein content and purity. 4 completely flopped, delivering less collagen than reported on the labels, and many with chemicals. So let's look at the top performers. Pacific Foods Organic Beef Bone Broth delivered 9.6 grams of protein per cup versus the 8 grams that it reported on the label, and with no heavy metals. Pacific Foods Chicken Bone Broth, the varieties of sea salt and unsalted, was even better at delivering 10 grams of protein, 3.9 grams of collagen, and high purity. Kirkland's signature organic chicken sipping broth held true to its label for protein claims and had lower sodium. Although the flavor was reported as lacking just a bit, most likely due to the lower sodium, but that shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just add some high quality Celtic sea salt in. Next, Kettle and Fire beef bone broth and Bonafide chicken bone broth delivered good amounts of protein in accordance to their label and had great purity, no chemicals. Now, for the dark side, the ones that didn't measure up. Bonafide organic beef bone broth claimed 10 grams of protein, but tested at only 6.5 grams. Now, I find this to be rather interesting, especially because their chicken bone broth tested so well. Another disappointment, Kettle and Fire chicken bone broth claimed 19 grams of protein, but only delivered 14.6 grams. Now, these may seem like small differences, but when you're paying premium prices for quality protein, accuracy matters. And when numbers don't add up, you can't help but wonder what else isn't being disclosed. Is it the sourcing, the purity? Is it the process itself? Health warriors, transparency matters, especially when your goal is healing, not hype. The takeaway, don't assume all bone broths are equal. Check for companies that publish third-party testing results or visit Consumer Lab for up-to-date reports. I'll include the link below for you. Next, let's look at other collagen sources besides bone broth that shine too. One of them is marine collagen derived from fish skin and scales. It's rich in type 1 collagen, making it perfect for nerve sheaths, but beware. Ocean pollution means heavy metals are a risk. So make sure you choose NSF, USP, Informed Sport, or BSCG certified brands. This third-party testing will ensure there are no heavy metals in your collagen. Another source of collagen is eggshell membrane. This source is rich in type 1 and type 4 collagen, which is primarily used for joint repair. And the last form of collagen we'll talk about is gelatin. Now, when you hear the word gelatin, what usually comes to mind? Be honest. It's probably that bright, jiggly bowl of Jell-O from your childhood, right? And who doesn't love Jell-O? But here's something you should know. Gelatin and Jell-O are not the same thing. Gelatin is basically cooked collagen. When you simmer bones, skin, or connective tissues, the collagen breaks down into gelatin. It has all those amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline that your body can use to rebuild collagen tissue, support your gut lining, and even help repair your nerves from the inside out. Gelatin is pure, and once it cools, it thickens and sets, leaving you with that jiggly texture. Jell-O, on the other hand, does contain a little gelatin, and I mean a little, but it's mostly a sugary processed dessert mix. Along with that teeny tiny bit of gelatin, you're also getting lots of refined sugar or artificial sweeteners, artificial flavors, artificial colors like red dye number 40, yellow dye number 5, and many others, and it's loaded with preservatives. So while it might wiggle like collagen, it's not giving your body the real therapeutic collagen support it needs. Now, if you want that same healing potential in a convenient form, collagen powders and peptides are your modern solution. No simmering needed. They deliver peptides fast. Consumer Labs' top picks include Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides and Origin's UC2, both verified for accurate dosing and low contaminants. For nerve repair, dosage matters. Take 10 to 20 grams per day consistently for at least 3 to 6 months. Better yet, stay on it permanently. And here's your pro tip, health warriors. Always pair collagen with 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams of vitamin C daily. Vitamin C acts like a molecular glue, cross-linking collagen fibers so they're strong, stable, and actually usable by your body. And make sure you split your dose into 2 or 3 times a day so your body can absorb more and keep rebuilding around the clock. A whole food vitamin C is always a smarter choice than isolated ascorbic acid. In nature, vitamin C comes surrounded by bioflavonoids and plant enzymes that help your body absorb and use it much better. When you take pure ascorbic acid, it's like getting the lead singer without the band. When you use acerola cherry, camu camu, or amla berry, you're getting the full orchestra. And that teamwork means your collagen gets built more efficiently, your tissues get stronger antioxidant protection, and your nerves get the repair support they need. Health warriors, when you're trying to use collagen to maximize nerve repair, it's important to pair it with a comprehensive nerve support formula containing benfotiamine, R-alpha-lipoic acid, folate, methylcobalamin, and pyridoxal 5-phosphate. These amplify collagen's effects for optimal nerve repair. And don't worry, I'll leave the link below for you for a good nerve support formula. Now, if you add photobiomodulation or infrared light therapy to boost cellular energy and movement like walking or stretching to increase blood flow, you'll see some pretty amazing results. Finally, never underestimate the power of movement. Simple daily movements like walking, stretching, or gentle exercise increases blood flow and delivers those healing nutrients straight to the damaged nerves. Even with neuropathy symptoms, you have no excuses. We've created an entire exercise series specifically for you where you can start with 1 or 2 exercises and add more on, or you can jump in and do them all. Even the most severe cases of neuropathy can do these gentle exercises designed to speed your recovery and improve your balance. And I'll leave the link to those exercises for you below as well so you can get started ASAP. Remember, nerves heal slowly. They're the slowest healing tissue in the body, and full regeneration can take 1 to 2 years, sometimes longer. But when you stack these strategies, collagen, nerve nutrients, red light therapy, and movement, you're accelerating the healing process. Health warriors, remember, nerve healing is a journey, not a sprint. Every step counts. Collagen, nerve nutrients, light therapy, and movement are your healing toolkit, stacking the odds in your favor for recovery. Stay consistent and your nerves can recover. You're not alone. We're with you. Make sure you subscribe now and hit that like button so we can keep bringing you more nerve health secrets. And don't forget to click on the bell to get notified as soon as we release our weekly videos. Your support helps us spread hope to neuropathy sufferers everywhere. Stay encouraged, stay consistent, and know this, you're not alone on this path. I look forward to seeing you on the road to great nerve health. Blessings. Health warriors, before you go, I want you to remember something important. Healing isn't about giant leaps. It's about the quiet, steady steps you choose to take every day. There'll be days when progress feels slow or non-existent, and that's okay. Those are the moments that test your courage. But courage isn't the absence of fear. It's choosing to keep moving through the fear. Even the smallest step forward counts. It tells your body, your mind, and your spirit, I'm not giving up on me because I'm worth it. So, take a breath, straighten your shoulders, and remind yourself you are not broken. You're becoming stronger, wiser, and more resilient than you've ever been. Your story isn't over. It's unfolding, and the best chapters are still ahead. Blessings.